Look at this vast, sprawling wilderness. The dense forests, the winding rivers, it's a world teeming with life, shaped by forces both great and small. Among these forces is a humble creature, a true master of its domain, often called nature's greatest engineer. We're talking about the beaver. These remarkable animals don't just live in the environment, they actively reshape it to suit their needs, creating entire ecosystems in the process. Today, we re-dive in deep into the world of these animal architects to uncover the incredible story of how beavers build their dams. It's a tale of instinct, ingenuity, and some serious hard work. So, how do they turn a flowing river into a tranquil pond? Let's find out. The first step in any major construction project is gathering the right materials, and for beavers, that means one thing above all: wood. Equipped with a set of large, powerful incisors, beavers are expert lumberjacks. These teeth are incredibly strong, coated with iron-rich enamel that gives them their distinct orange color and keeps them razor sharp. A single beaver can fell a small tree about 5 inches in diameter in just a matter of minutes. They gnaw around the base, creating a perfect notch that guides the tree's fall, often directing it right toward the water. It's a display of pure instinctual engineering. Once the tree is down, the work is far from over. They chew the trunk and larger branches into manageable logs, which will form the primary structure of their dam. With the main building blocks ready, the beavers transport them to the chosen construction site. They are surprisingly strong swimmers, using their powerful webbed hind feet to propel themselves and their broad, flat tail as a rudder for steering. They'll push and pull these logs through the water, strategically positioning them in the stream. The base of the dam is typically made from the largest, heaviest logs, laid down parallel to the water's flow. They anchor these initial pieces into the riverbed, creating a solid foundation. You might notice they often choose a narrow section of a river to build, which makes the job a little easier and the structure stronger. It's all about working smarter, not just harder. Once the wooden framework is in place, it's time for the next phase. A dam made only of logs would still let a lot of water through. This is where the beaver's dexterity truly shines. Using their small, nimble front paws, they begin to fill in the gaps. They dive down to the riverbed, gathering mud, stones, and wet vegetation. They carry these materials, often held against their chest, back to the dam. They meticulously pack this mixture of mud, gravel, and leaves into every crack and crevice of the log structure. This process, known as chinking, is what makes the dam watertight. It's like they're applying a natural form of cement, carefully sealing the wall they've built against the force of the river. What's most incredible is that this isn't the work of just one beaver. Dam building is a family affair, a masterclass in teamwork. The entire colony, from the adults to the young kids, participates. The younger beavers learn by watching and helping their parents, passing down this essential knowledge from one generation to the next. As the dam grows, you can witness their coordinated effort. Some are felling trees, others are dragging branches, and some are meticulously plugging gaps with mud. They work tirelessly, mostly under the cover of darkness, driven by an innate blueprint for construction. The result is a structure so sturdy and well-engineered that it can last for decades, sometimes even centuries, with continuous maintenance from the resident beaver family. And here is the final masterpiece. What was once a fast-flowing stream is now a calm, deep pond. This new body of water is the beaver's safe haven. The deep pond provides protection from predators like wolves and bears, and the entrance to their lodge, their homes, located underwater, keeping them secure. But the impact of this dam extends far beyond the beaver family. This new wetland becomes a vibrant hub of biodiversity. The still waters attract fish, amphibians, and insects. Birds come to nest and feed. Other mammals visit to drink and find food. The Beavers Dam has created a brand new, thriving ecosystem, enriching the entire landscape. They are a keystone species, a true testament to the profound and positive impact that a single animal can have on the world around it. Nature's engineers, indeed. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look into the animal kingdom, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.